A hexagonal lamina of size 30 mm is resting on HP with one of its corner in VP and its surface inclined at an angle of 30 degree to VP. The diagonal passing through the corner on which it rests is inclined 45 degree to HP. Draw the projections of the lamina. One more thing I would like to clear in this problem is a hexagonal lamina resting on VP and a hexagonal lamina of side 30 mm is resting on HP with one of its corner is same. Resting on VP or one of its corner on HP with one of its corner in VP. Both are same. Now it is resting one of its heads in HP and corner is in VP. This is the question. This BC is in HP, A is in VP. Now we'll solve this problem. It is resting on VP. Because of that, we have to consider VP angle first, 45 degree. (30° to VP and 45 degree to HP. So 30 degree to VP first we have to consider, then we will go for HP angle 45 degree. Now 30 degree to VP we have to consider. I will solve this problem. Draw a line of 0.13. Line with 0.5 mm. The distance is 30 mm and angle is 0. Distance is 30, angle is 0. 30, 0. Next 30, angle is inside angle is 120, outside angle is 60. Inside angle is 30, sorry, length is 30, angle is 120. Next 30, 180 plus 60, 30 plus 60, 240. Should be 0.5. Now, as per question, one of its edge touching HP or in VP and corner in VP. One of its edge touching HP and corners in VP. To move, place this on XY line. Can we do naming? A dash, A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash, F dash. Now we'll draw the laminas. with 0.13. A is here and F and B are here, E and C are here, B is here, and we'll join this with 0.5 and leader where to draw. Then naming, A is visible, F is visible, next F is visible, inside the bracket B, next E is visible, inside the bracket C, then D dash D. When you are viewing from this side, A is visible right outside the bracket, F is visible right outside the bracket, B is not visible right inside the bracket, E is visible, C is not visible, and D directly. So right, this is your first position. Because of this is resting in VP, VP angle you have to consider at the beginning. VP angle is 30 degree. Now we will draw the 30 degree line. Instead of drawing 30 degree line, just select this spot. If anything extra selected, just by control you can make it out. Right. Control, move, focus should be made on this endpoint, this endpoint. Right. Now rotate from this endpoint to this endpoint. Angle is 30 degree, that is minus 30. Right. Now draw the projector lines with 0.13, A to A, D to D. Next, so because of this problem, one more I would like to explain you here. Just to go back, instead of drawing complete one line, draw a line with 0.5 mm from end point of this to end point of this, end point of this, end point of this. Means separate lines have been drawn. Now you can move this. Right. Then rotate. It is 30 degree, minus 30 degree. Now it will show that one now will draw A point, next B point. Right. Now when you move on this line, these are separate lines. You will get end points to draw. No need to cut. F is there, B is here only, we get directly. Then E point, and C will get directly at this point, and D will got. Now we'll write which point we got. It is F dash, this is E dash, this is B dash, next C dash, next we'll get B dash here, this is A dash. Right, now we'll join all the points. Now we'll join all the points with 0.5 mm. First A to B, we should get intersection point. You are not getting zoom it, with symbol not so, at least both have to select. If you are not getting symbol, both have to select, then it is directly on that line. This endpoint, this endpoint, this and this. Now draw the arrow marks. Right. Now second position is completely over, and we should specify angle and length. The angle between this and this is 30 degree. Now 45-degree line we have to draw. Length may be anything, but angle should be 45 degree. Right. Now take distance from this point to this point, original distance, then alter distance because of 30 degree, 60 mm. As I already told you, prepare 2 mm a point on 45 degree line, and draw arc by center from this point, that is 60 millimeter. Right. Now trim on one side, draw a line of locus point 13 from endpoint of base. Right. Then cut it by 51.96 distance. The locus line you have to cut, and then join from that end to the center. This diagonal, right, this diagonal is inclined at an angle of, 45 degree. And that angle is 45 degree, that will specify. Now we'll move. Before moving, one more thing I would like to show you, how much angle. That you have to measure how much angle you will get. Angle between 55 degree you should get. We'll check in your grid book. 55 degree we got. Right. Now move this hexagon. Move. Copy should be made on D point at this place. endpoint of this. You can see that endpoint symbol will come, place it, then rotate from this B point to A point. Endpoint of A, copy should be off, rotate, so that this is how we have to draw. Now, draw line from A point to join A. A is on XY line, that is 0.13, it is on XY line. Then B point is here, right. Next C point is here, C point is here, C is here, this is C point. Next B point is here. Next E point is here. Next F point, which is on this line. Now we'll join all the points with 0.5 millimeter. And draw the zoom the area for this. Fine, this much is good. Write text command. Text, this is E, this is D, this is C, this is V, this is A, this is R. Thank you.